Hey, what's up guys, Aiden here, and welcome back to another Reaper Reviews. Today I will be reviewing my Dandy animated biker skeleton. This is one of the variants that was made of the motorcycle riding skeletons in the line that they did. Because they made a vampire, a phantom, a ghoul, a Frankenstein, a werewolf, etc., etc. This is the purple hair Reaper. Yeah, his hands are latex. I did get him. He was brand new in box. I have his box right here. But he needed a lot of work done. I had to replace one of the wires because they kept pulling off. And yeah, and the battery compartment was kind of corroded on one of the contacts, so I had to put some tin foil in there just so it could work. For some reason, the sound sensor doesn't want to work. I've tried everything. But it just doesn't want to work for some reason, which is fine. I mean, he does play the full song, so I will be playing that. But, yeah, he is really, really cool. He has the standard motorcycles like most of them do. He does have this cool skull on the side, which does light up. Has a black leather jacket, purple hair, sunglasses. They're just made out of a foam type material. He is really, really cool. You can see where they use the same mold for the Phantom. Green lights here, and this light right here does light up yellow. And when it's in the dark, it's really bright. On the back here, this light doesn't light up. Right here it says Bones on the license plate. Here's the other side. Oh! This is odd. It says Pan Asian Creations. But I think on the bottom, it doesn't say Dandy, but on the jacket it says Pan Asian Creations. I never noticed that before. But yeah, he is really cool. Oh yeah, on the other side of the tag it says like all new materials and stuff like that. So, and like I said, his hands are latex. Yeah, he is just really cool. Now we'll take a look at the box. It says right here, motorcycle skeleton, bad to the bone. Try me. Press button on item, music, motion, lights. And this was sold at Menards because of the Pumpkin Hollow box. Requires 3 AA's. There we go, it says 2006, all that's reserved. The instructions and battery use and all that. Nothing on the bottom. And then on the side here. So yeah, and like I said, he was brand new in the box. I did have to take him out to replace the batteries and do some work on him. But yeah, he is 100% restored. So I guess now I will activate them for you. Let me just flip the on and off switch here, wherever it is. Here we go. Yeah, he is overall a really, really cool item. Yeah, usually you could tap on it and he'd set off again, but like I said, the sound sensor isn't working on him for some reason. But yeah, he is really, really cool. Now, for some reason on mine, whenever I press the try me button, it doesn't play the full song, but if you turn it on or off, then on again, it does play the full song. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that pretty much does it for my review on the Dan D, or Pan Asian Creations, according to the tag on the jacket, of the purple-haired version of the motorcycle riding Reapers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye.